I work remotely and I realized that having a comfortable and well organized desk setup is crucial for my productivity. By seeing what's worked well for me, I believe that you'll get some idea or inspiration for your own workspace, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. Let's start with my monitor. It's LG ultra-wide 34-inch curved monitor and it's a recent addition to my desk setup. It makes multitasking so much easier. I usually have many tabs and windows open, so the wide screen is very helpful for me. I know some people have concerns about the ultra-wide causing discomforts while screen sharing, but it's not a big deal for me. I usually split the screen and show only a particular window while I'm sharing the screen. So I mounted my monitor on this mount-up monitor arm and it's a game changer. I can move my monitor around to get the perfect angle and it saves so much space on my desk. Moving on to my laptop, I've got myself a MacBook Pro M2 with 16GB of RAM and 1TB of SSD. It's perfect for video editing and other personal uses, and I haven't faced any heating issues or lagging problems. So I have my iPad Air here. I use iPad for note taking and using Notion for planning and scripting. And what else? So I also paint, so I use iPad for painting. And I really like that it can charge Apple Pencil, which is a big plus for me. And I really like this detachable keyboard case for my iPad. And for keyboard, I have this dual clutch mechanical keyboard and it's so satisfying while typing. But the downside is that it can be a bit loud during meetings or video recordings, but I'm not planning to changing it anytime soon. This keyboard can connect up to 3 devices. I shift between my work laptop and personal laptop. That feature is really helpful for me. And I use this Bluetooth ergonomic mouse, which is so comfortable to use, and this mouse can connect up to 2 devices, which is very helpful for me to switch between laptops. Since I also use this setup for my YouTube, I needed a docking station that can connect all my peripherals, including my camera, microphone and hard disk, and that's why I got this CallDigit PS3 Plus docking station. It connects everything, freeing up all the ports in my laptop, and also it just has one wire coming out of it which I need to connect to my laptop, so it's a very quick setup. My back was killing me from all the sitting, so I invested in this Memoglad office chair. It has made a difference and it has a high back and adjustable lumbar support. It's not an expensive chair out there, but it's worth every penny, and yeah, I really like it. And this desk is from IKEA, which I regret buying, and I'm planning to upgrade it soon to a standing desk. I don't know when, but yeah, I'm planning to. And the reason why I regret buying this is because it's not flat. I mean, it has this drawer units which makes it impossible for me to install boom arms for microphones or monitor arms. I have this cable outlet which I made use of to install monitor arms and boom arms, but it wasn't that convenient. And when it comes to accessories, I have my iPad stand here which is adjustable. And I also have my mobile stand here, which is again adjustable. Yeah. So you can see my vertical laptop stand here. I have my 2 laptops, that is my work laptop and my office laptop. I also have my iPad here, and this saves a lot of space for me. And to reduce eye strain, I have this BenQ monitor light, and it has this controller which you can use to control the brightness and temperature of the light. And I've added this fake plant to my desk to make it look more aesthetic, and they add a nice touch of greenery. For recording videos, I use this podcast microphone and it's installed on a microphone boom arm. And I recently got myself a Blue Yeti microphone to improve the audio quality in my YouTube videos. And I use this Logitech HD webcam for video meetings. To protect my desk, I have this desk mat protector pad. I have this wrist rest here which gives comfort to your wrist while typing. I've also got this footrest which fits perfectly under my desk. And I've got my AirPods Max hanging from a Lamical headphone stand that I attached underneath my desk. This Camlink capture card is great for 4K video streaming or recording. I've attached this power strip under my desk to keep things looking tidy, and you can see that I've also added this LED strip light that adds some colors to my workspace. It's Bluetooth controlled, so I can easily switch up the colors to fit my mood. Plus, all the lights in the room are connected to Google Home and voice control. Hey Google, turn on the office lights. If you are looking to upgrade your desk setup, I hope you got some ideas from this video, and please let me know in comment section if you have any other desk accessories recommendations for me, and let's meet again with another video. Bye.